Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make Sesame Prawn Toast, aka Shrimp Toast. It's a common appetizer in British Chinese restaurants. It's made from triangular-shaped pieces of bread, spread with shrimp paste, coated with sesame seeds. It's usually deep-fried, but my healthier version is baked instead. Let's get started. We need some sandwich bread. I cut them to make 6 triangular-shaped pieces. Some melted unsalted butter. Sesame seeds. Let's make the shrimp paste. Add the prawns or shrimps into the food blender. Add some salt. Add some sugar. Add some white pepper. Add the minced ginger. Some sesame oil. 2 egg whites. Some corn starch. When it's finished, the consistency will be like this. While making the prawn toast, we can prepare the oven. Preheat the oven at 195. Brush both sides with melted butter. Then spread the shrimp paste. Last, dip it into the sesame seeds. It's ready, let's bake them. I will bake them 20 to 25 minutes. My recipe is enough to make 6 prawn toasts. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients, so each prawn toast costs me $1.30. I'm going to enjoy my prawn toasts. Thanks for watching my video.